I'll definitely take this one. Great, definitely.
Great choice. That's one of our most popular styles this season.
Hello, friends. Welcome to day 24. How is everyone?
We are so happy to see you again. Today is a very special day because we are talking about a common problem.
Yes. Imagine you go home, try your new dress, and it is way too tight.
Oh, that is the worst feeling. You feel like a balloon.
Exactly. Many people are afraid to go back to the shop because they don't know what to say in English.
Today, we will help you. We will show you how to exchange a dress easily.
Remember, in many shops, they won't give the money back, refund, but they will let you pick another dress.
So, let's learn the simple sentences to handle this. No rush. Just follow us. Scenario, the exchange struggle.
Hi. Excuse me. Do you have a minute?
Hello. Yes, what's up? How can I help you?
Well, I bought this shirt yesterday. I really like the color, but it's too small.
Oh, I see. Is everything all right with the quality?
Oh, the quality is great. It's just the size. I think I need a large.
That's what I thought. Let me check. Oh, I'm so sorry. We don't have the large size in this green color.
Really? This is so embarrassing. I really wanted this color.
Don't worry. It happens. Since we don't have the size, would you like to pick a different shirt?
Okay. Let me check the other colors. No rush, right?
Of course. Take your time.
This blue one looks nice. Is this a large?
Yes, it is.
Perfect. Let's exchange it for this one.
Great choice. Just sign here and we're good.
Thanks for catching that mistake and helping me.
You're welcome. We'll do the billing now. That was much better. Instead of asking for money back, Rahul chose another dress.
Yes, words like exchange and let me check are very useful.
And notice how we used "it happens." It makes the whole situation feel friendly, not like a fight.
Even if you are nervous, just use these small sentences. You will feel much more confident. Conclusion and homework.
We hope this helps you next time you go shopping.
Today's homework: what is your favorite color for a shirt?
Tell us in the comments and type exchange if you understood today's lesson.
We are reading all your comments. If you are ready for day 25, type ready.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Skill Tree.
See you tomorrow.
Bye-bye.